Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix this issue. Bad image, the error code is 0 into C 4 times 012F. So whenever you open any exe on your system and you encounter with this error. So in this video, I will show you step by step how we can fix this issue. Previously, I made a video on it and that was for like Windows 10, 11 or Windows 7, 8, not for Windows 11, but this video is all about Windows 10, 11, 8 and all the versions. But you need to make sure that you just need to download the correct packages. First, what we can do is we can open the command prompt, and this issue occurs due to file corruption on your system or the bad image due to your system image. This command is very easy and this is very popular command to fix this is DISM command, deployment image servicing management. You just need to copy this and simply paste it here, and this will basically go to online and will fix your issue related to any image corruption on your system, and check if you are able to fix that issue or not. You should able to fix the issue, but somehow if it is not working, you need to run the sfc command as well. Let this run first, the DISM command, and then once the DISM command is completed, you need to open the CMD again and type this command sfc space / scannow and press the enter key. You need to make sure that you only run this command once this command is completed, otherwise both command will not run simultaneously, and both the command are for Windows file corruption and this one is for image corruption as well. And restart is recommended after completing both the command and see if that is fix your issue or not. If that is not fix your issue, we can reinstall the C++ redistributable packages from the Microsoft website. Just you need to go to this website, even you can directly search here C++ redistributable packages, and I will link this Microsoft website into my description box. You just need to copy and paste here. It may be changed in a future, so better will be just type for C++ redistributable image, so that you don't need to depend on my link. You just need to go like this, and this you need to use for your Windows 10 and 11 latest version. If you are using with Windows 10 and 11, this will support for Windows 10 and 11, but if you are using Windows 7, so older version you can try out like 2013, 10, 12 and 15. So just go to first link here, just click on Windows 10 for 11 and choose this 86-bit and 64-bit. That one is ARM. It is not recommended to use in a physical machines. You just need to download both the link here, first 86-bit and 64-bit. Modern system are used 64-bit, but also this will help to restore your issue, and you need to download both the exe here. Just set up this, and I have already installed them in my system, so you can install them, and after that restart again your system and it will fix your issue. If issue still occurs and somehow it didn't work on your system, also this command didn't work, we can go to the next step. Now next step is we need to download the ISO file, and with the help of ISO file we are going to repair our Windows. If you are using Windows 11, just go to Windows 11 ISO download from Microsoft, and Windows 10 as well same. You might face the challenges for downloading Windows 7 and 8 ISO file, but if you have older version of that, you can simply download that. Just download this ISO file, select the language and simply click on download here. And once the ISO file is downloaded, close this now once it is downloaded, and I will show you how to run it. Closing the browser. I have already downloaded that into my this drive. So what you need to do is you need to make sure the same version of Windows you are using. Here is Windows 25 S2. Download the same ISO file and right click on that and simply click on mount. And once you mount it, it will go to the separate E drive or whichever drive you have free. It will be go to like this. Right click on it and open it. And now simply we need to go to here sources and look for install.wim. This will be the largest file or folder inside your system. You need to change its location accordingly here. This will be the source. Copy here this source and you need to paste this source according to your source like this. In my system it will be e:\sources and install.wim. We are calling this install.wim with the help of this command. Rest of the command is same, you can see there, and also you will get into my description box. LimitAccess means it will not go to the internet, it will directly install with the help of this ISO. This will repair basically your Windows. Copy this, simply run as admin again, and let me cut this. This is the offline setup to repair the window corruption if the online one is not working. And hit this. This is save command. There is no data loss on your system. You can easily run it. Even this will fix other issues as well on your system. This will take some time, and once the command is completed, again restart is recommended on your system and it will fix the issue. And hopefully your issue will be fixed after applying these methods. If issue still persists, I recommend you to just reinstall that app again and press Windows plus R and type for %app data and simply hit OK and delete that from here as well. If that is pasted here, sometime older exe can cause the issue. After uninstalling this, roaming all the data is deleted from here and then reinstall that app, and hopefully your issue will be fixed after that. So this is the video guys, and I'm pretty sure if you apply all the methods step by step which I have shown you in this video, your issue should have been fixed. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe the channel and also share and also comment if your issue is fixed or not. If still issue is not fixed, you can comment me, I will try to reply you. So thanks for watching.